I'm so tired of wintertime. Why is it so cold? I just really wish that the sun would come out, it would be hot again, and I can get back to a water park. Mentioning water parks, what is up with Six Flags Whitewater? And is it gonna open up anytime soon? And why don't we have an opening date yet? Huh? Got an alert? Six Flags Whitewater just announced their opening date, and there's an update about Python Plunge? Brighter days are ahead. Well, in that case, let me explain. Hey guys, Miguel the annual Passholder here, back with the brand new video here today. So yes, boys and girls, we have an opening day announcement for Six Flags Whitewater, and I couldn't be more excited to get back at the park. The park will officially reopen for the 2021 season on May 8th, 2021. Beyond excited for that, and I cannot wait to get back to the park. So what we know so far from what they've given us, let me explain on what we could possibly expect for the 2021 season at Six Flags Whitewater. So with the park again reopening on May 8th, 2021, you might need, for those who are new, they do have the early bird special yet again, which is $49.99 for a season pass, which will get you to the dry park in Six Flags Over Georgia, along with the water park there in Hurricane Harbor, along with getting you unlimited admissions to Six Flags Whitewater. Again, if you want to go beyond that, you could join the ranks of the membership with a gold membership, which is as low as $5.99 a month, which will get you all the perks of the season pass along with more things. Or you could do the second tier rank of the platinum membership for $8.49 a month, which gets you unlimited admissions to all the outdoor parks, unlimited soft drinks with every visit, and 15% off of food and 25% off of almost everything else. The third tier rank, the diamond membership, you could get for as low as $10.99 a month and get unlimited admissions as well, diamond preferred parking, and skip one ride line every visit, which by the end of this video, this will make a lot of sense for you. And then best thing yet, you could become a Diamond Elite member. You get all the same perks as the other ones along with Diamond Elite priority parking, and you could skip 2 ride lines every park visit. So in regards to special events that they don't have anything yet, but just to update you guys on their update, that they're hard at work planning for the 2021 season. So that means a lot of great things are in store indeed. And one in particular, which I keep hinting on, that I'll announce in a second. So a good thing is that they will be operating with a full park schedule with the full length of their season, rather than last year they opened up in like July and ended in September, which is really crazy. But this season, opening up on May and ending their season in September, they will have their full season. So with that being said, they will have all the rides open. If you want to know more of what I'm talking about, watch this video right here in regards to the reopening of the 2020 season, where almost everything was closed. So you'll have a better time yet and even get to relax in the lazy river, which should be open this time around. But man, I'm so glad that more than one of the body flumes will be open. So with the big thing, again, the meat and potatoes of this video that I wanted to bring to you guys firsthand right here, right now, on the website, they did announce that Python Plunge will officially be making its debut for the 2021 season. I am super excited about that. There was strong rumors and speculation that the ride, which was supposed to debut in 2020, but everything happened, of course, but it was rumored to be scrapped and possibly be sold to another park rather than coming to Six Flags Whitewater. So with this, I'm super excited. They will be giving us construction updates along with the opening date timeline for this as well, coming up on their website and social media as we get closer to the season happening and for this ride to open. Trust me, I am very excited about this. But if you want to know all about the ride specs and what Python Plunge has in store, I made a video that you can check out right there, or you can see what the thumbnail looks like here on the screen, or you can check it out on the link in the description down below too as well, where it goes in 100% full details on what you can expect for Python Plunge at Six Flags Whitewater. Trust me, you guys will love it. So lastly, you can check out here on their website if you have any frequently asked questions that you might be wondering for the 2021 season at Six Flags Whitewater, coming up again beginning on May 8th, 2021. Also, if you have any questions for me, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Along with, you can contact me on social media for Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Along with, you can check out my website, annualpassholder.com. There is a contact me page where you can ask your questions, and I will, in all those ways, respond to you quickly and immediately. But with that being said, I wanted to give you guys a quick update on Six Flags Whitewater. I know it's super cold and a lot's going on out there, and we cannot wait for warmer days and warmer weather and to get back at the water park splashing again. What's super intriguing, getting on Python Plunge, and I cannot wait to bring it for you and with you. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the news around all the parks, along with definitely my home parks indeed. But with that being said, for my quick update, thank you guys so much for joining me. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you are new once again. To my next video and future adventures coming up. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.